In this module, we are going to learn that how different countries exploiting the cheap labor in different parts of the world. Capitalism is referred to the economic system that is characterized with privatization, that believes in individuals, that they need to own different businesses or entrepreneurs, and those entrepreneurs or businesses work under the ownership of different cartels, and that privatization believes in non intervention of the state. And what are the basic objectives of such privatization industries? Accumulation of wealth, competitive markets, private ownership, surplus, wage labor. According to Karl Marx, labor power is treated more like a commodity in the capitalist market, where even individual is considered a commodity. Labor is sold and bought in the global market. Labor power is sold to the bourgeois at cheap prices, which leads to exploitation of the labor. Labor is exchanged for wages. Relation of hierarchy and exploitation between the employer and the worker is making everything as commodity. For example, if you could see in the capitalist market, even they have made a woman a commodity, and they use woman in every advertisement. उसमें औरत का कोई लेना देना है या नहीं उस प्रोडक्ट में, लेकिन जस्ट टू अट्रैक्ट द अटेंशन ऑफ द कंज्यूमर, वेस्ट exploit women as a commodity. And that is why Iran is a country that usually abhors that attribute of capitalism in which woman is exploited as commodity. Employer uses power to extract more value from workers. They indulge them in more work, take more their time, but pay them less, taking unfair advantage due to inferior position of workers. And Marx claimed that when a worker receives less than his efforts and needs, it is called exploitation. Exploitation occurs when these commodities are purchased because they have purchased them, they have bought them for a month, for example, and now they are taking work from those laborers day and night, but paying them back not those benefits which they are earning out of their labor. Exploiters receive more profit as compared to their efforts. What is the result? Sense of deprivation increases. Migration of dreams happen. Socialism. Karl Marx argues that socialism is the only way out to get rid of the exploitative system of capitalism. He says that the same amount of labor which he has given to society in one form, he receives back in another. Karl Marx is of the opinion that it is the only way out, that the socialist forces should work to assist the labor class, that how they can take their rights from the rich class. Surplus labor. It is a term which is usually used by Karl Marx to refer that the supplementary labor that a worker has to do beyond making his livelihood. He has to work extra time. He has to give extra time to his honor. But unfortunately, his extra time is not valued by his honor. What is the impact of globalization? Integration of labor markets, expansion of capitalism, spread of technologies in factories, increased job insecurity, declining wages, more competition, poor working environment. Because population of the world is increasing in the developing part of the world, and industrial revolution is going on in the developed part of the world. This imbalance is increasing that job insecurity, and it is happening owing to globalization, owing to the integration of forces, different forces which are working in the developed part of the world, and goods and services are moving freely from one place to another.